Hello Libra, welcome to my channel. This is your love reading for December 2020. Now, being a general reading, not all messages might resonate Libra, so keep whatever resonates. So in this reading today I'm going to take like past, present and future. 3 card spread with clarification. So hopefully we have some awesome stuff Libra for December love. So let's start here. This is based on your sun sign and moon sign, so could check the other video as well. So Libra's general energy, spirits and guides, universe and guides, please help. Libra's general energy in love, December 2020, spirits and guides, angels and guides. So Libra's general energy for love in December 2020, spirits and guides, angels and guides, please help. Last shuffle, Libra's general energy for December 2020, love, spirits and 3 card spread. So the first card, this is your past. This is your past. So let me first pull out the cards. The Hanged Man, this is your present, and your life outcome, your future. So maybe, in your past, I'll just give you an idea. In your past is the Judgment card. So, either a reconciliation could have happened between you and your person, you and your specific person. And it could be like a cycle which was like, off and on, coming back together and then again going off. So it could be that you could have forgiven your person and, gotten back to them. Or they, energies could be vice versa. They could have done the same. So Judgment card is like, or there was an, you felt like your person was your soulmate, twin flame. This is a card of, inner calling too. So you are trying to manifest, you were trying to manifest your person. You wanted to get back to your person in the past. You are wanting to get back to your person in the past. This is what I get here with the Judgment card. In the present now we have the Hanged Man. So in this Hanged Man, you are still thinking, it's a stuck situation, you're still waiting for a call, text, but you're not stuck as it used to be. This is not the first time your heart has been broken, whether it has been with some other relationship or with this specific person. It has happened, you gave chance after chance, this was a repetitive pattern. So you aren't, actually that's a kind of a stuck, like, emotionally torn, and, you are not in those energies. You are definitely, disappointed by the person. But you're thinking about them. You still want this relationship, Libra. That's what I get here with the Hanged Man. And in the future, I do see it's, this is looking into the future, waiting for the text, a call, or a message or to see them, travel to see them. It could be a long distance relationship. It could be an online relationship. So, but still, it seems that you're still waiting in your near future for this person in December. So let's clarify now. I'll do the clarification with that. So we'll do this, we'll go one by one. Why is the Judgment card here, Libra? Love feelings for December. Spirits and guides, please help. Why is the Judgment card here? Why is the Judgment card here in the past? Why is the Judgment card here in the Libra's past energies? So it's a Page of Cups, okay, yeah, and this is Page of Wands. So you could be dealing with Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So basically, you might have reconciled, or a reconciliation could have happened with a fire sign or an water sign here. What I feel here is that, always this relationship went on a break because of communication. And your person with this Page of Wands and Princess of Cups, I feel there was emotions, there was love, there was attraction, but it was a little immature or childish behavior of your person. They weren't very into commitment, commitment phobic, that's what I would say here. But there was a reconciliation here. So if you are dealing with a water sign, of course they had a little stability, what I would feel here. So definitely reconciliation or coming up together had happened in the past with this person here. It could be any other sign, Libra. But yes, younger, both were younger, air, fire sign and air signs could be younger sign, than you. But because of their lack of commitment, or being in and out, that could have taken this relationship into getting away from each other, you getting away, blocked communication, no communication, not showing emotions, behaving immaturely. That was the reason for this going away of you and this person. So you went off, you reconcile, you went off. For some it might be once, for some it might be multiple times too, a pattern repeating here. Now let's see, why is the hangman? Why is the hangman here? Why is the hangman in the present energies of Libra, December 2020 love? Why is the hangman here? Last shuffle. Why is the hangman here? So yes, you are holding on. Strength card. You could be dealing with the Leo, you could be dealing with the Pisces, you could be dealing with the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So it seems that your person, the specific person you are dealing with, is just holding on to their emotions in their present. Here, they are not showing you emotions, they are not communicating their emotions. It's a stuck situation. Your person has left you in the cold. They are not making any effort to to put this relationship back. That's what I get in the present energies. Present energies, when you will be watching this, then that's what I get here. So not doing anything. You want this relationship. And if you are dealing with an earth sign, that's Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn here, so you have this King of Pentacle. So they are more focused into their work, their business, their career, and they are elder to you. Libra, they could be especially male if they are. So they are more focused, and they are more into making money, career, and love is not a priority to some of them. So basically it's a stuck situation here, wherein you want to make an effort, you want to make this relationship work. Your person is intentionally trying to hold on their emotions. That's what I get here. There could be also mind games playing here, that's what I get, because you have this immature Page of Cups, Page of Wands here. Some mind games going on, some off and on kind of coming together, withdrawal. So it could be like that. Now let's see in the future. Why is the Three of Wands in the future? Why is the Three of Wands in the future? Why is the Three of Wands in the future? Last shuffle. Sorry. Why is the Three of Wands in the future? Okay, so King of Wands with the Ten of Swords. King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, very passionate, very fiery energy. But it shows that there is also, you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. So in the future, it seems that either you or your specific person really going through a lot of you're waiting, because you're still waiting. So basically I see you here, or your person also waiting for your text or for you to reach out, but they doing nothing. It could be from your side to near future, because some of you are moving away, or it doesn't show actually moving away. It's like Ten of Swords. It's like too much pain, too much hurt, too much betrayal for some of you here. From your person, it could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius doing this to you. It could be any other sign. uh, it's already a stuck situation in the present. So and maybe you are hurt by their mind games, their player kind of energy here. King of Wands with this could also be some a player energy, I would tell you here. Your person seeing someone else. Now this is for some of you here, so it has hurt you. It's Ten of Swords. You are still, but you are still waiting. That's what I get here. Even after the hurt, even after the betrayal, even after the no communication, no thing, you're still waiting for the person. You still love them. You still have feelings, but you are not in that kind of sorrow and pain you used to be earlier. It affects you, but not to the extent with because this was an off and on relationship. It's not happening for the first time here. So you are hurt, but you are actually moving forward with your normal routine. Somewhere down the line you still do desire this person, you still have attraction for your person, this specific person. That's what your person will not want to accept that they are playing mind games. But I can see communication happening here in your future. Communication happening. So let's see a likely outcome. Likely outcome for December month for Libra and Libra's person. Love message, love relationship, spirits and guides. Likely outcome in love for Libra's and Libra's person. Four of Cups and the High Priestess. So that is it. Two of Wands and the Hermit. It seems that yes, with the King of Wands coming, I already told you that here also we have the Knight of Wands with the this energy, Virgo energy. This is the Hermit card. So some of you could get a message and it could reflect light on the status of your relationship here, and some of you will be still stuck. It will be silent, or you will be watching silently. One person will try to offer the love, the other will not accept it at this moment. That is what these are the two scenarios that I get. Some of you getting the message, first scenario, and you could be dealing with the Virgo, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius here, and it will throw some light on what happened to the relationship here, why or you could get back together or move away. And in some cases it's still gonna be silent, it's still gonna be stuck, and you might be carrying on with doing your own thing. So this is it, Libra. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you so much and stay blessed.